Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to turn on our RAV4 with key. Insert the key into the ignition or the key fob slot and turn clockwise until the dash powers up. Ensure the gear is in park and press the brake pedal firmly. Watch indicator lights and listen for the fuel pump priming sound. If the engine does not start, try again after a few seconds and check battery connections before proceeding to troubleshooting steps. Most RAV4 models use one of three ignition methods: metal key, key fob slot, or push button with a smart key. For a metal key, insert and turn clockwise while holding the brake. For a key fob slot, push the fob fully in and turn. Some models may still need the brake pressed. For push-button systems, have the fob inside the cabin, press the brake, and press the start button to power the vehicle. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker adds handy voice control while you work on your car and plays playlists to keep you focused, making repairs feel easier and more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If your RAV4 fails to start with the key, begin simple checks first. Replace a weak key battery and verify the vehicle battery has sufficient charge and clean terminals. Try the spare key to rule out a single key fault. If the immobilizer or security light blinks, cycle the key or use the spare and consider dealer diagnostics if issues persist. Safe, simple fixes often avoid towing and save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.